Like these? Make them at home. Make a nutritious, high-protein breakfast in just 4 easy steps. Step 1. Measure water and pour into the center of the base. Step 2. Prepare the egg mixture with your choice of ingredients and fill the tray to the max fill line. Step 3. Cover with the lid. Your egg bites will be ready in less than 10 minutes. Step 4. Take off the lid and remove the tray from the base. Your egg bites are ready to serve and enjoy. And they're easy to make ahead. Customize your bites. No matter your diet, there is an egg bite for you. Plant-based meat with herbs. Egg whites with red peppers. Bacon and cheese. Egg whites with yellow peppers and scallions. It's the perfect healthy breakfast treat.
Introducing the Smash Axe. The tool designed to help you make beautifully seared smash burgers, perfectly cooked chicken, and so much more. The Smash Axe features a solid one-piece base made of food-grade stainless steel. This single-piece design creates a seamless surface that is easy to clean and leaves no place for bacteria or food particles to get trapped. The Smash Axe handle is made from solid oak and offers a comfortable, ergonomic grip. Whether it's on the kitchen counter or outside by the grill, Smash Axe gets the job done and gets it done with style. Smash Axe. Get your axe cooking.